This is Rhea Artista, 38 years old, married. I have 2 child. One is 14 years old. The youngest is 13 years old. My work experience is I work as domestic helper 2 years in Dubai, Middle East. And then here in Hong Kong is 8 years. From 2016 until 2024. Then my recent employer is just only 1 month. I'm skilled in cooking, cleaning, yeah, and I prefer to take care of children. My personality is I am honest, patient, hardworking person. I prefer to work, take care of the children. I can work independently. If I have a chance, you hired me, we look forward for it. Thank you.